In this episode of Encap TV, I'm going to talk to you about Encap-Punch. Why it's a special product. In fact, it's the special this week at Excellent Supply. So stick around and I'm going to share with you a few of the reasons why you're going to want to pick up some Encap-Punch for your business. Encap-Punch is a 3-in-1 product. First of all, it's a pre-spray, it's a hot water extraction rinse detergent, and it's a bonnet cleaner. And all three of those applications benefit from its encapsulation platform that it's built on. So if you're using it as a pre-spray, as well as a rinse detergent, or as a bonnet cleaner, you're also going to get the secondary aspect of encapsulation built right into the equation. Plus, it's a CRI approved product. So if you're looking for CRI approved products to work with in your business, Encap-Punch is certainly worth considering. So let's get right into how you can use this as a pre-spray and how it will benefit you in your business. As a pre-spray, Encap-Punch breaks down the soil. It's loaded with solvents. It will help to emulsify the soil and get it out of the carpet, but on the other side of the equation, you're working with an encapsulation product. So everything that makes it function well as a pre-spray is balanced on the other side with encapsulation polymer. So there's no way that you're going to leave any kind of a residual, a chemical residue that's going to load up in the carpet and possibly cause the carpet to resoil quickly. On the other hand, even if you left this product in the carpet and never rinsed it out of the carpet, it would actually continue to resist soil. So you've got a product that's very favorable to use in a pre-spray application because it's going to clean well, and you've got the added benefit of using a true encapsulation product. On the same point of encapsulation, when we use it as a rinse detergent, there again, we're leaving behind an encapsulation product in the carpet that will continue to resist soil and continue to vacuum out of the carpet. So quickly you can see that in effect you're cleaning with two methods of cleaning at the same time. You're cleaning with hot water extraction on the one hand, and you're cleaning with encapsulation secondly. So on both sides, you're working in a favorable way to get a hold of the soil that's in the carpet and get it out of the carpet, and to leave the carpet in a very soil resistant condition. The third area that we want to focus on with Encap-Punch is bonnet cleaning. It's a great bonnet cleaning product, again built on encapsulation technology. The benefit here though is that when you bonnet clean with Encap-Punch, again, you're pulling the soil into the bonnet. It's a low foaming product, so it's not going to leave a barrier of bubbles on the carpet like foaming products would, so it's very effective for bonnet cleaning. But again, you've got the encapsulation polymer on the other side of the equation. So in effect, you're cleaning again with two modes of cleaning: bonnet cleaning, absorption through the bonnet, and encapsulation on the other side of the equation. So when you put that together, you've got a great component for going after Encap bonnet cleaning with Encap-Punch. Again, a CRI approved pre-spray. Give it a try. I think you're going to be very pleased with the results that you get when you work with Encap-Punch. Thanks for watching this episode of Encap TV. Certainly want to help you max your Encap here at Excellent Supply. That's what we focus on. If there's anything we can do, reach out to us so that we can help you with your business. And please share your comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe. We appreciate it when you do that as well. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.